Whether it's Ghibli's dreamy worlds or Pixar's magic, whether it's sketching or songwriting today, AI can do it all. Within seconds, AI can sing in Frank Sinatra's voice, write screenplays, compose music, and paint pictures. And that brings us to the big question. Is AI the end of artists? Has human creativity finally met its replacement? Because, let's be honest, Hollywood's factory-style production line has been churning out formula stories for years. Big studios remake, reboot, and recycle only slower. But what about the millions of real artists, the ones who pour their souls into their work? Where do they stand in this AI revolution? To find the answer, we need to travel through time, from the thoughts of a philosopher to the chaos of today's digital world. Decades ago, the spiritual teacher, Osho, called philosopher Jiddu Krishnamurti the most intelligent man of the 20th century. And when Krishnamurti passed away in 1986, Osho said something striking: such sharpness and clarity might not be seen again for centuries. Krishnamurti often said, our minds are conditioned, and whatever is conditioned is limited. And that hits deep. Because think about it, are our ideas truly original? Or are they just the product of everything we've been fed by family, school, society, even social media? That's where this gets interesting. Because if we aren't fully original, then can we really say AI isn't creative? AI is basically a super fast student. You feed it thousands of books, artworks, and voices, and it learns patterns. It learns how Tarantino writes dialogue, how Nolan plays with time, how Zimmer builds tension. Then you ask it to create something in their style, and boom, you get a Tarantino-style script about space pirates in 5 seconds. Sounds absurd, maybe, but isn't that exactly what film students do in college? They study Scorsese, Kubrick, and Fincher. They learn from them, copy them, and imitate them until they find their own voice. AI does the same thing, just faster. So if a student learns Scorsese's technique, we call it inspiration. But if AI does it, we call it imitation. Funny, right? Let's be honest. Hollywood has been AI long before AI existed. From Avatar, Echoing, Pocahontas, to The Lion King, borrowing from Kimba, The White Lion, to endless superhero reboots. Hollywood has been remixing since the 80s. But unlike AI, it takes years to do what AI does in seconds. So maybe it's not AI that's killing creativity. Maybe it's our fear of facing how mechanical our creativity had already become. The truth is, this isn't a war between AI and humans. It's a war between corporations and artists. Corporations want speed, profit, and predictability. So whether the art is made by a human or a machine doesn't matter. They've already turned movies into fast food, like McDonald's for emotions. But AI is just a tool. It's how you use it that decides if it kills creativity or empowers it. Because there's one thing AI doesn't have: personal experience. AI can mimic words and colors, but it can't feel heartbreak, pain, or joy. It can't know what it's like to be broke, in love, or lost. And that is the root of true creativity. Directors like Christopher Nolan, Greta Gerwig, or Denis Villeneuve, their films breathe experience. They don't just tell stories, they live them. And no algorithm can replace that. So, instead of fearing AI, artists should wield it. Let AI handle the boring stuff, the editing, rendering, formatting, so that you can focus on the feeling, the storytelling, the emotion. Just like how a calculator didn't kill mathematicians, AI won't kill artists. It'll just separate the genuine creators from the copycats. So the next time you see an AI artwork or an AI song, don't ask, is this real? Ask, can I make something meaningful with it? Because in the end, AI might create content, but only humans can create connection. And if you want to master AI, not fear it, join my live AI masterclass, where I'll teach you 25 tools that'll help you create faster, smarter, and with more imagination than ever before. The link's in the description. Now tell me, do you think AI can ever truly understand emotion? Let's talk in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.